So the goal is to replace that Soil EC sensor that we deployed in June. So it's a setup where we actually have 3 probes in the ground at different depths, and one of them is down. So we came today in order to replace it. So right now I'm going to dig, and Char'Rese is going to look up online if the replacement was successful, if we're getting data again. So we have an ongoing test setup where 2 CTDs have been deployed and sitting there for a few weeks. We are going to get water samples at the height where the device is being deployed, and then we're going to also analyze the water sample in the lab to figure out which specific conductivity we actually measure vs what the device is getting us as of right now. And we're going to retrieve them today because they are partly fouled. So there's organism growing on it, but it's degrading the quality of the data we're getting. So the idea is to reevaluate them in the lab to figure out if they are still working as the manufacturer intended, or if the water fouling actually degraded the device. So everything went as planned, so I think we can celebrate it. So we're today at the Coastal Study Institute. It's a beautiful place, and it's a right place to deploy sensors and do research.